Morning students. Today we are going to learn ratio and proportion. In that we are going to discuss about direct proportion. Let's see some basic concepts. The comparison of two like quantities in terms of how many times is known as ratio. This way of comparison is known as comparison by division. To denote ratio, we use the symbol, you can see here, two dots. The ratio can be expressed as a fraction, that is A and B is equal to A upon B. The ratio is always expressed in lowest term and is written as a proper or improper fraction. The equality of two ratios is called a proportion. Symbol two dots are there twice is used to denote a proportion. If one quantity is increase or decrease, in proportionate other quantity is also increase or decrease, then it is direct proportion. Let's see one example of circles and diameters. See one circle, one diameter and two divisions. Two parts are equal. One circle, two diameters and four equal parts. Four divisions. One circle, three diameters and six parts. One circle, four diameters and eight equal parts. Here the ratio of number of diameter to the number of division remain constant. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 8. Let's see one example. The number of notebooks that the student of a government school received is shown. Children and notebook. Children 15, notebooks 90, 12 children 72 books, then 10 children 60 notebooks, 5 children 30 notebooks. Now let's see the ratio. 15 upon 90 is equal to 12 upon 72, 10 upon 60 and 5 upon 30. These are the common, that is a 1 upon 6, that is a reduction form. In other words, the ratio 1 as 6 remains the same or constant. Let's see one example. If 10 pens cost 60 rupees, what is the cost of 13 such pens? The number of pens and their costs vary in direct proportion. Let us express the ratios and obtain an equation. 10 upon 60 is equal to 13 upon x. Cross multiplication, multiplying both sides by 60x, then also we can get the answer. 10x is equal to 780. X is equal to 78. So cost of 13 pens is rupees 78.